So, good morning children. Today we discuss about the plotting the points on the graph papers. Let us take 24 students. Now these 24 students I am arranging on a line named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on 24. So this is the position of the first student, this is the position of the second student, this is the position of the third students. We can call it as their numbers also we can call. So for they are arranged in rectangle form. Then here now I am taking the rectangle, here some lines. So here the students are sit like in the rectangle form. The first students, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. So here what about the students? Here in the line we can call it as number 2, number 5, number 24. What about the person here sat here? So now we have the horizontal lines and vertical lines. The horizontal lines are known as the rows and the vertical lines are known as the columns. Here the person, now it is located here. This name we can name as he sat at first row and first column. Here the student sat at first row and second column. So here this student is sat at first row and third column. So here from this concept we can name like that. It is a first column and first row, second column, first row. Like that we can name, we can plot the students. So here now I am taking the order pair. Here order pair, it is the first one is denoted the column number, and second one we are representing the row number. So here this is a first column and first row. This is a second column and first row. It is a third column, first row. It is a fourth column, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth column, and the first row. This is a fifth column and first row. Here what about this student? We can look at this point is, it is a first column and the second row. So we can 1, 2. It is a 1, 2. Here it is a second column and second row. It is a 2, 2. Here like that we can take, here it is a 3, 2. It is a 4, 2. It is a 5, 2. It is a, here it is a first column and a third row. So we can name as 1, 3. It is 2, 3. It is 3, 3. It is a 4, 3. It is a 5, 3. Here it is 1, 4. 1, 2, 4. 3, 4. Like that we can plot all the numbers, all the students positions. Here it is a 4, 4, 5, 4. Here it is a first column and fifth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is 1, 5. It is a 2, 5. It is a 3, 5. It is a 4, 5. It is a 5, 5. So these are the arrangements of the students. If it is if you say 4, 3, it is a position of the 4, 3. If you say 3, 2, it is a position of the 3, 2. Now I am taking the two lines. One is a horizontal line and another is vertical line. So here I am taking the horizontal line and one vertical line. So this is named as the first row, second row, third row, fourth to fifth row. Now this as we are taking as a 0th row, and this is we are taking the 0 column. So here it is we can join this. So it is nothing but the first column and 0 row. It is a position. It is a second column and 0 row. Like that we can take 3 comma 0, 4 comma 0, 5 comma 0. So this is the position of the students. Position of the students. Here we can take here 0 comma 1. 0 it is a column is 0 and the row is 1. It is a 0 and 2. It is 0 comma 3. It is 0 comma 4. 0 comma 5. Now let us discuss about the. Now I am taking the 3 comma 2. How to plot the 3 comma 2? So here, so first of all 3 we have to take the 3 on here, first unit, second unit, third unit. Next we have to move the, it is a 2, so we are moving upside 1 2, so we will get the 3 comma 2. Now I am taking the 4 comma 3, 4, so we have to take the here 1 2 3 4, and we have to move 3 upside 1 2 3, we will get the 3 comma 2. Now this is the position of the points. So this is the 0, it is vertical line, this is known as the x-axis, and the vertical line is known as the y-axis. So this the horizontal line is known as the x-axis, and the vertical line is known as the y-axis. So now I am taking the one horizontal line, vertical line. The horizontal line we are knowing as x-axis, vertical line y-axis. So now here on the right side of the intersecting point we are taking 0 1 2 3 4 5, so on. Here left side of the 0 we are taking -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Here upside of the 0 we are taking 1 2 3 4 5 positive values, and the downside of the 0 is -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Now we are going to plot the some of the points. Now I am taking the 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 means, so here it is a 2 comma 3 means 2 is known as the x coordinate and 3 is known as the y coordinate. X is called x coordinate and y is 3 is called y coordinate. So here how to plot the 2 comma 3. So now first of all we have to take the 2. So 2 we have to take on x axis. Here where it is 2, here it is 2. So now it is a 2. Now what about the 3? 3 is a positive value, so we have to move upside 3 units. So it is a 1 unit, it is a 2 unit, here it is a 3 units. So this point is known as the 2 comma 3. Now so I'm taking another example, 5 comma 2. So 5 comma 2, first of all we have to take the 5 we have to take on x-axis. So here it is a 5 on x-axis. Now we have to see 2 units we have to move upside. So 1 unit and 2 units. So it is nothing but 5 comma 2. Next now I am taking the another example, -3 comma 2. So here -3 on x-axis. Here it is a -3 is on x-axis. So the y coordinate it is a 2. So we have to move upside 2 units. So 1 unit and is 2 unit. So this point is known as the -3 comma 2. I'm taking another example, -5 comma 3. So here -5 comma 3 means we have to take the -5 on x-axis. So here it is a -5 is on x-axis. Here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. So here it is a -5. So y coordinate is 3. It is a positive. So we have to move upside 3 units. So 1 unit, 2 units and it is a 3 unit. 3, it is a minus 5 comma 3. Now I am taking another example. So now plotting the point minus 5 comma minus 3. So here minus 5 itself, here it is a minus 5 on x-axis, and y coordinate is minus 3. So it is a negative. Negative means we have to move downside. So downside we have to take the 3 units. 1 unit, 2 unit, and here it is a 3 units. So it is known as the minus 5 comma minus 3. Another example, minus 3 comma minus 5. Minus 3 comma minus 5. So here I am taking the minus 3 on x-axis. Here it is a minus 3 on x-axis. So here y coordinate is minus 5. Minus, it is a negative. Negative means we have to move downside from the minus 3. So how much? 5 units. So here 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, and it is a 5 unit. So it is nothing but minus 3 comma minus 5. Now we are taking another example for this one. 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4. 3 units on the x-axis. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. So it is a 3. Now it is a what is a y coordinate? Y coordinate is minus 4. So it is negative. Negative means we have to move downside. How many units? 4 units. So here 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. It is nothing but 3 comma minus 4. I am taking another example. 5 comma minus 3. 5 comma minus 3. So here 5 on x-axis. 5 units on x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. And what is the y coordinate? Y coordinate is minus 3. So minus 3. So it is negative. Negative means we have to move downside 3 units. So 1, 2 and 3. This is known as the 5 comma minus 3. So next, graphical representation of a linear polynomial. Let a linear polynomial y is equal to 2x plus 1. The highest power is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Now we are taking that box here, x value and y value. X value I am taking minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So if you substitute the minus 2, 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 plus 1. So that is a 2 minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to minus 3. So y value is minus 3. And if you substitute minus 1, 2 into minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1. If you substitute 0, 2 into 0 plus 1, so that is 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1, 1. If you substitute to 1, so we will get 2 into 1 plus 1, so that is 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So here 2 plus 1, 3, so 3, 2 into 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. So here I am taking x comma y. So x comma y become minus 2 comma minus 3. Here minus 1 comma minus 1. Here 0 comma 1. Here 1 comma 3. Here 2 comma 5. Now we have to plot these values on the graph paper. So now I am taking the graph paper. So here it is a x-axis. It is a y-axis. So here it is a 1, 2. Here it is minus 1, minus 2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is a minus 2, now we have to plot the minus 3 comma minus 3. Minus 2 comma minus 3. So minus 2. So we have to take the minus 2 on x-axis and minus 3. Minus 3 means it is a negative value. Negative value means we have to move downside. Downside means here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So downside means we will get here the point, and the second one is minus 1 comma minus 1. So minus 1 on x-axis, and we have to take the minus y coordinate is minus 1, so it is a negative, so we have to move downside. How many units? Only 1 unit. So we will get here minus here 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 means here it is a 0 and the y coordinate is positive 1. Positive 1 means we have to move upside, so we will get here 1 units. Next, what is that? 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. 1 on x-axis, and 3 unit we have to move the 3 units upside. 1, 2, 3. And the next one is 2 comma 5. 2 on x-axis, we have to move the 5 units upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you join these points, we will get the one straight line. So it is a straight line. So it is a graphical representation of a linear polynomial. So in this straight line cuts the x-axis at one point. This point is known as the 0 of the polynomial. Here it is nothing but it is minus 1 by 2 comma 0. It is a minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 comma 0. This minus 1 by 2 is known as the 0 of the polynomial. So from this, any linear polynomial, the graph should be straight line, and also it cuts the x-axis at only one point.